Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best car tweeter that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Polk Audio DB1001. Polk Audio's DB1001 is one of the best rated products we found, with many positive reviews that back up Polk's reputation as a maker of high-end audio gear. These tweeters earned the editor's pick title for their excellent sound quality. Rated for 6 to 60 watts nominal RMS power, the DB1001 can handle peaks of up to 180 watts. 1-inch silk polymer domes and neodymium magnets deliver frequencies between 4 and 23 kHz, and an inline crossover filters out lower frequency sounds better left to your sound system's drivers and subwoofers. Second on the list is the JBL GTO9 series. Measuring just 3/4 of an inch in diameter, the JBL GTO9 series tweeter is the smallest in our list. As a member of the GTO speaker family, the 9 series boasts the fiberglass reinforced plastic frames, fabric diaphragms, and rubber surrounds used in larger versions. These tweeters are rated for nominal power handling between 5 and 75 watts, so they're compatible with many factory sound systems and lower-end aftermarket setups. Maximum power handling is 135 watts. JBL says the GTO9 series relatively low 3 ohm impedance makes this tweeter well suited to sound systems with light gauge wiring. Third up is the PowerPro PDBT28. The PowerPro PDBT28 tweeter is one of the most powerful speakers in this list, with a 150 watt RMS power rating and 300 watts of peak power capability. Its 104 dB sensitivity rating is also among the highest here, so you will get lots of volume out of the PDBT28 no matter how much power your sound system makes. Frequency response is average among the tweeters listed here, ranging from 2 to 20 kHz. The impedance range is 4 to 8 ohms. A 1-inch diameter follows the industry standard for tweeters in most vehicles, so you should have little trouble installing it in your car's existing tweeter openings. Pile does not include speaker grills, but the PDBT28 features a nicely finished aluminium frame. Fourth on the list is the Rockville RT6. In designing the RT6, Rockville focused on sound quality over big power and volume, so while the 60 watt continuous power rating is relatively modest, you can expect these tweeters to sound better than their affordable price suggests. This 1-inch speaker has a silk dome, ferrofluid cooled voice coil, and neodymium magnet designed to deliver peak power handling of 240 watts. Frequency response ranges from 1.3 to 24 kHz, and impedance is rated at 4 ohms. To end with is the Rockford Fosgate Prime R1TS. Rockford Fosgate says its R1TS tweeter's mylar dome was designed to minimize distortion while dispersing your music's high notes so that everyone in your car gets to enjoy clear sound. They're designed to handle between 2 and 40 watts of RMS power with peak power handling of up to 80 watts. Sensitivity is lower than the average here at just 72.5 dB, and the frequency response range is a bit narrower at 2.5 kHz to 22 kHz. Impedance is rated at 4 ohms, and the kit includes high-pass crossovers that are built in, so you don't have to worry about finding space for them. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.